Welcome everybody to another English lesson. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher, and today we are studying present continuous. We are studying tenses. We are studying present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous. 4 tenses. So we are studying grammar today. We are studying tenses. And I use present continuous. I am using present continuous because the lesson is unfinished. It's not finished. I am still teaching you tenses. It's not finished. It's unfinished. Present simple is for finished. Yeah, it's for things which are finished because they happen every day, every week, every month, every year. So every day I wake up at 7, number 1. I wake up at 7, finished. I eat breakfast at 8, finished. I go to work at 9, number 3. Okay, present simple. One thing, then the next thing, then the next thing. It's very similar. It's almost the same, like past simple, but present, yeah? I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast at 8, I go to work at 9, okay? So every day, every week, every month, often, sometimes, always, never. They are for present simple, yeah? Often, because they mean many times. Sometimes, always, never. These words need present simple, okay? Present continuous is now, at the moment. So now I am teaching tenses. You are watching my lesson. You are listening to me. We are learning about past continuous, this one. And past continuous is similar, how can I put this word? Similar to, past continuous is similar to present continuous. It's unfinished, unfinished. Okay, so now I am teaching tenses, I'm not finished. You are watching a lesson, you're not finished. You are learning about past continuous, you're not finished. Okay, past simple is finished. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did I do yesterday? Well, I woke, not wake, woke, past. I woke up at 7 o'clock, finished. I ate breakfast at 8 o'clock, finished. 8, not eat. I went, not go, I went to work at 9 o'clock. One thing finished at 7 o'clock. Second thing finished at 8 o'clock. Third thing finished at 9 o'clock. Yeah, finished, finished, finished. I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work. Finished, finished, finished. Past continuous is unfinished. In English, it means in the middle of, not finished, not finished. So I am smoking now. It means I'm in the middle of. I'm in the middle of smoking. I am smoking now. And I was smoking means I was in the middle of smoking. Look at this. What were you doing? Past continuous. What were you doing? It's a question. Were you, not you were. What were you doing at 8:10 yesterday? So, Dave, yeah, I at 8:10 yesterday, I was having breakfast, past continuous, because I mean I was in the middle of having breakfast at 8:10. I wasn't finished. I had half a sausage in my mouth. Yeah, half a sausage in my mouth. I was eating breakfast at 8:10. I was in the middle of eating breakfast. So past continuous is for unfinished, unfinished. And look at my diagram. Now I am teaching you tenses and I'm not finished. And yesterday at 8:10 I was eating a sausage. I was having breakfast. Yeah, I was eating eggs. Yeah, I was in the middle of breakfast. Okay, at 8:10. Now, sometimes you talk about two past actions, two past verbs. Yeah, verbs like go, play, do, have, study, learn. Verbs. Sometimes one verb is finished, but the other verb is unfinished. Yeah, often when we speak English, one verb is past and finished, and the other verb is past but not finished. And we need past simple for finished, past continuous for unfinished. Let's practice. Here are some questions. We must choose past simple or past continuous, finished or unfinished. Okay? And remember, past continuous looks similar to present continuous. We say, I was doing, yeah, or making, or smoking, or playing, or going, or having. I was doing, he was doing, she was doing, it was doing, but they were doing, we were doing, you were doing. Yeah, so maybe yesterday at 3 o'clock you were doing homework. Maybe. Negative is I wasn't doing. So yesterday at 8:10 I wasn't teaching. I was having breakfast. I was eating a sausage. I was eating eggs. I wasn't teaching. I wasn't reading a book. I wasn't watching TV. I wasn't playing football. Yeah. And I think you weren't playing football yesterday at 2 o'clock. Maybe you were playing football, or maybe you weren't playing